Welcome back to our Credit Repair 101 series. To watch our previous videos, click above. Today, we will discuss how to fix bad credit. Credit scores that fall below 620 are considered less favorable. If you have a low credit score, here are some steps you can take to improve it. Review your credit report and make sure there aren't any errors on it. And don't worry, checking your credit report will not negatively impact your credit score. Reduce your credit card debt. Paying down your credit cards and not charging any more on them is key to improving your credit score. Keep unused credit cards open. Don't close out the credit cards you don't use. In actuality, doing so can work against you. Credit bureaus look at your credit utilization ratio, which should be below 30% on all of your credit cards. Having available credit, but not using all of it, can help. Take out an installment loan. A person can sometimes have a lower credit score simply because they don't have an established credit history. In this case, an installment loan might be a good option. While it may seem counterintuitive to take out a loan to improve your score, borrowing a small amount may actually give your score the boost it needs.